Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Sims 4 controller not working. So here's what you're going to do. You want to open Steam, go to library, find Sims 4. You want to right click on it, click properties. Now click on controller and make sure that you switch this. If it's on default or disabled, you want to either use default settings or enable Steam input and check if that will fix your issue. If that didn't fix your issue, you want to exit out of this, go to Steam, go to settings. Now in here, you want to go to the controller, click show advanced settings, and you want to check here what do you have. So if you have a Xbox controller, you want to enable this. If you have a PlayStation controller, you want to enable this. If you have a Switch controller, this, and then generic this. Also, if you have the Xbox controller, you can install the driver for it. And after you've done all of that, you should try playing The Sims again. Now, if that didn't help, the last thing you can do is go to here, open your Bluetooth, go to Bluetooth, and you want to remove your controller from the list. And after you removed it from the list, you want to press the home button and select button on your PS5 controller or PS4 until it starts blinking. Now go to add device, Bluetooth, and then DualSense controller, and then done, and it's gonna be added. Now you can relaunch The Sims and see if it works. And the last resort, if that doesn't work, is you can use your cable, and then it should hopefully fix your issue. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Sims 4 controller not working. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.